Hey, my name is Matrana. Without further ado, let's get started, right? Hey, look, man. Make sure you subscribe to this platform, share this video to a lot of people, so we can spread the message and knowledge and inspiration, all right? It's special to our sister, our beautiful sister, okay? Because they are the one who need it for the most of the time for the knowledge. Like we guys, we can always find a way how to elevate to the next level, okay? So share this with a lot of people. For that being said, let me get started without further ado. Let's get started. Hey, leave a comment so I know there are people watching this video, okay? My grandmother told me, baby, go and conquer this world. Okay, so let's start with the first question. They say simple interest. So there's a simple interest and then equivalent to the discount interest. So simple interest and discount interest. So whenever you have a question whereby there's a combination of the two of the simple interest will represent by the letter R or small I, and the discount interest will represent by letter D for the most case. That's how I use for my part. So whenever you have a question which has two things, simple interest and discount rate, you use the following formula, okay? Memorize those two formulas. The first formula say R equal to D, so we know D is a discount rate, and then 1 minus R T. So this is the first formula. Another formula, T equal to 1 minus D. R means the same one, but you make a subject word T. Or you can simply memorize, or you can make a subject, whatever you want. Okay, so that's what we got. These two. So it depends on the question, what do they want? So according to the first question here, they say, what do we have? What do they want? They say, look, if a simple interest rate, we have an R, and a discount rate means we have a D already. And then what do they want? They say, if the simple interest is equivalent to discount rate per year, then the time. So since they mentioned the one time, I'd rather use the second formula. So I'm gonna say I'm not gonna use this because I just need time. So I'm gonna say time equal to 1 minus D. What is my D? Oh, I can simply let me just do here. So here I can just do for the second question. So I'm gonna say my T equal to D. What 1, which is this one, minus my D. What is my D? This is equal to 20.5%, and then we over R. What is the R? R is interest rate, which is equal to 24%. And then what happened? All of this we can do like this. We over D. What is a D? Our D we know. Our D equal to 20. This one here, D 20.5%. So let's plug in a calculator quick, so we can get an answer. Let's plug in a calculator quick, and then we say this is gonna be 0. Okay, so we say fraction. By the top one, I just plug exactly bracket, and they say 1 is just a 1, and then minus just a minus, and then we say fraction. Then we have a 20.5. Sometimes when you go too fast, it's kind of free. It's kind of, okay, 25%, and then you say underneath, you come here, and they say 24. Let me just wait for it to come. So whatever I plug in there, you can see what I'm plugging, so you know what I miss out. Okay, percent. Okay, come with the denominator. So come with the denominator here. Okay. Now we say 24, 2, 4, and they say shift, and the percent. This way, kind of slow a little bit, but we get it down now. And then we go underneath, and then we close the bracket, and then we go to the bottom. 24%. My calculator is just slow a little bit, because it's slow. It's an emulator. Okay. Now we come here, and then we close this one right here. We close quick, and then after close that one, then we go to the bottom. Okay, let's go to the bottom. Okay, go to the bottom, and they say 20, and then 0.5, and then we shift, and then percent. Okay, let me just wait for the count so we can just finish up quick. So remember, time you're gonna get is gonna be time in years. Okay, time is gonna be time in years, and then after that we finish, we go to the second number 2. Question number two. Let's go right now. Okay. So then after that we say percent. Okay, well, we got that one. Okay, so we say equal. So time we're gonna get now is gonna be in years. Okay, let's go. So time. Okay, let me see. Okay, what's the time we're gonna get now? 0.7. Okay, and then after they say SD. Okay, so if you plug SD this, okay, I'm just waiting for it to respond, right? Sometimes it can be funny, this calculator. Okay, SD. Oh, come on, okay. Okay, so when you put SD, I don't know why my computer's free, but when you put SD, it's gonna give you T equal to, when you plug SD there, which is gonna give you 0.7. This is gonna come, no problem there. I spent a lot of time waiting for the calculator. 11, 38, which is gonna be in years. So since this in years, but according to the option, they're asking in days. If somebody said, how are you gonna change years to days? Okay, ask yourself how many days in 1 year? 365. So take what you have here, 0.71138 multiplied by 365. When you multiply by 355, this is gonna give you 259.65. But when you approximate this, right, in 2 decimal places, because here we don't have there. When you approximate, look, this 6 is gonna change it because more than 5, so it's gonna make it 260. Because look, this is more than 5, so it's gonna approximate, it's gonna become more 260, 250, 260, yeah, 260. So then it's gonna be the option number 2. Okay, so question number 1, we done already. Let's go to the question number 2. Our main, okay, you see, like I said, then we multiply by 365. That's all I'm saying. And then equal to, it's gonna come, no problem. But I'm gonna continue in this sooner. Like for the question number 2 now, it's gonna come that one, no problem. While I'm busy working on another question because I can't wait forever. Okay, now, so the question number 2, this is an investment. So I don't know like how I'm gonna solve. So whenever you have a discount and interest, you use one of these two formulas. So they say an investment. No, it's not. This has nothing to do with it. You can see it's very different. It's nothing has to do with this discount rate and simple interest rate. But they just say in a question, an investment of me, somebody invested this, accumulated 2, mean this is a principal money start a business with, and then it income amount accumulated. When you invest, means that's a principal money. So now we say from the previous question, make sure you look if it's interest rate, if it's a simple interest or compounded interest. But if you look careful, they say if applicable interest, simple interest. Oh, so it's simple interest rate, right? So for simple interest, we got formula for the amount equal to principal 1 plus RT for simple interest. So for that case, now we have all the information, most of the information here. They say you invested this amount, you invested, and then it accumulated to this amount. So I have my A and I have my P. Okay, and I have my interest rate, which is R. So then I'm looking for the T. I know my A. My A equal to 45212 equal to my P. What is 20,000 bracket 1 interest rate. What is interest rate? 12% times time. Do you know my time? I don't know. I'm looking for. So I just have to make it time the subject. So what I'll do here, I'll just divide by 1, 2, 3, divide by 1, 2, 3. So this and this cancel. And then what I'm gonna do, I'll move this to the left. So it's gonna be oh, it's kind of freaking sorry about that. So we're gonna say 4,500 over 20,000, and then you minus, because it's gonna come here, right? Minus 1, because you remember this concept. Minus 1 equal to minus 1 equal to 12% T. So what I'm gonna do now, let me just put brackets so you know. I want to get the value of T. If you want to get the value of T divided by 12% throughout, divide by 12%, and then divide by 12%. So this is this cancel. So we say then finally T equal to, we plug in the calculator exactly what we have there. Okay. So you plug in the calculator exactly what you have here. Let's go. Plug exactly how you see. That's why it's very important to have this scientific calculator. Say fraction, and they say bracket. And this is a fraction. There's a fraction on top, and they say fraction again. 4, 5, 200. Oh no, that's too much. Sorry about that. Cancel here. Cancel. Something wrong. Okay, if you plug everything there, okay, let's just I'm just waiting for you to respond, right? Okay, respond please. Okay, calculator come in. Okay, so we're gonna say fraction, fraction, and they say bracket, bracket, and the fraction, fraction. But then a fraction, we have another fraction on top, which is gonna be 4, 5, 200, 200, 4, 5, 200, and then we say, comma the denominator right there, and they say 20,000, and then 1, 2, 3, okay? Then you come here, and they say you minus 1, you minus 1, it's gonna come guys, right? And then after that, you close the bracket, and now come to the denominator. Let me just wait 40. Take time, it take time. Come on, come on, come on, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. You take more time. Okay, minus 1. This calculator is very slow. Let's go. I don't like when it's too slow. I need to make it plain. Okay. Bracket, and then go to the denominator. Okay, denominator. Close the bracket. Close. I did close the bracket. Oh, we did close the wrong. Okay. So delete. And then go to the top. Go to the top. Go to the top. Go to the top. Yes, and then close the bracket right there. And then we can go to the bottom. Okay. And there's a 12%. 12 now. Shift percent. Okay, let's just wait for it to see. I don't like when the calculator is slow. Look, it's out of my control. I'm trying. But hey, calculator, man, come on. As long as I get the answer, but also it's very, very important we go quick. As long as we get the answer, but hey, also time. Okay, so for that case, we say equal. So equal. Oh, you take forever. Come on, get the answer. Okay, so you see, and let me say SD. So then our time. Remember, time is going to be in years. So SD is going to be 10.5 because 21 divided by 2 equal to 10.5. So answer 21 divided by 2 equal to 10.5. Okay? Or you can simply say SD here. Yeah, 10.5, but it's too slow. Okay? Wow. So for that case, our time equal to 10.5. So our time here. $10.5 years. And that's going to be the option number 4. So let's just do this quick, please. That's the final answer. Look, for that being said, I don't want to waste a lot of time for today. You know I'm a noisy guy, but I was trying to be calm a little bit for this video. Thanks a lot for your time. Leave a comments below. Share this video. Peace and I'm out. Easy, man. We out.